What's up everyone? My name is John, made in the Philippines, exported to Malaysia, and this is truly Asia Diaries. For today's TAD's reaction time, guys, it's a very special day kasi nga po, it's the birthday of the heavenly voice ng ating SB19. Walang iba kundi si Stel. Oh my God, happiest birthday to you, Stel. And mega love shout out to you. I hope that you will have a great day today, and of course have a blast with your family and loved ones. And of course, for all the greetings of our 18 fam bam, we all love you. And guys, alam nyo ba, nakasama ako sa special birthday video for Stel. So maraming salamat po sa nag-invite sa akin to be part of that video greeting for Stel. Ayan, thank you so much to Nicole. Ayan, maraming salamat sa iyo, Nicole, for inviting me personally to be part of this special birthday video greeting for Stel. But for today's TAD's reaction time, guys, ang gagawin natin, syempre, pakikinggan natin muli ang heavenly voice ng SB19. At ito po ay back-to-back Bruno Mars cover ni Stel, which is Versace on the Floor and When I Was Your Man. So kung excited na kayo, mas excited na ako dahil I love Bruno Mars and I love Stel, our heavenly voice. So without further ado, let's all watch this. Alright guys, so headphones on and let's get it on. Oh my God, umpisa pa lang yan guys. I believe ano rin to, birthday niya rin to guys. So ito yung special performance niya. Ooh, nakita niyo naman yung vibrato niya. At gumagamit lang siya guys ng mic na ano ha, yung pang video open mic. Ang ganda ng kulay ng buhok niya. Very raw yung boses niya dito guys. Oops. Ako medyo nag-struggle ang heavenly voice natin doon. Oh, ayan ang ingay na naman po nila. Oo, ingay niya na naman, girl. Sure. Iba rin talaga yung smoothness. Sa kapag raw, guys, mas maririnig mo talaga kung yung original voice. Iba rin tumingin to si Stel, guys. Oh, aminin mo. Aminin mo. Yung nakilig doon, kinilig ka din. Oh, diba? Ingay ni ate. Ate, ano ba? Char! Ayun o. mga talanders. Mahirap talaga guys kapag ano. Oh, ayan o. Maybe because of the speaker din ng mic. Ayan. Ayan, nanghatak na naman si Stel guys. Nanghatak na naman. Sa tingin ko sa bug lang yung ano, yung speaker ng mic na gamit niya. Kaya kapag nag-vibrato siya na mataas, medyo nag-struggle. Yung totoo ate, basang-basa, wet na wet, siya. Oh my God! Hinawakan pa sa face! Ayan, nag-iingay na sila guys. Pero sabi nila guys, si Stel daw talaga yung pinaka-close sa mga fans. Tignan mo niyakap na. He is so sweet. Ay, ayun na ba yun? Akala ko naman bubuin niya. Nabitin ako. Tutuloy na ba?
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Ayan. Ako. Nabitin ako, guys.
Thank you.
Ayan.
Papunta pa lang dito, kinakabahan ako kasi... Sabi ko nga,
Ayan, manood muna tayong interview, guys. So, ayun na nga. Ano ba yan? Nabitin ako. Oh my gosh. So, ayun na nga, guys. Dahil nabitin tayo, may isa pa tayo panonoorin, which is another Bruno Mars cover by Stell, ang When I Was Your Man. Kaya naman hindi natin patatagalin to. Eto na siya. Yes! Ayan. Uy, nasa studio. Eto. Prepared siya dito for sure. When I Was Your Man. Isa rin to sa favorite Bruno Mars song ko, guys.
I should have bought you flowers.
Wow.
And held your hand.
Diba? Iba, guys.
Give you all my hours.
Alam mo yung nipis ng boses niya? Iba.
Take you to every party, 'cause all you wanted to do was dance. Now my baby
Kinikilabutan ako, guys.
but she's dancing with another man. Although it hurts,
Wow.
we're the first to
Oh,
say
sorry, guys. Oh my God!
I know I'm probably much too late to try and apologize for my mistakes, but I just want you to know I hope I buy you flowers.
Oh my God, yung low notes na yan, guys.
Gave you all his hours when he had the chance.
Galing.
Take you to every party, 'cause I remember how much you loved to dance. Do all the things I should have done when I was a man. Do all the things I should have done when I was your man.
OMG! Stell! Oh my God! I love it! Nabitin na naman ako, guys. Sa ikli lang naman pala nito. Di naman sinabi. So, there you go, guys. That is Stell of SB19 back-to-back cover by Bruno Mars, Versace on the Floor, and When I Was Your Man. Talaga naman, guys, di ba? Heavenly voice. Medyo nag-struggle lang siya sa Versace on the Floor, siguro dahil sa mic na gamit niya. And very raw kasi yung vocal doon, guys, dahil it's like a impromptu celebration, impromptu singing. So definitely hindi yan nakapag-vocalize. Overall, maganda pa rin yung pagkakanta niya, and of course, makikita nyo talaga sa isang performer, guys, kahit impromptu, they will give their heart sa pagkanta, at naramdaman ko yon sa Versace on the Floor. At dito naman sa When I Was Your Man, guys, tignan nyo naman, diba? When you are really in the studio and talagang well-equipped na, no? And of course, nakapag-prepare ka, ang ganda-ganda ng boses ni Stell. You see, yung high notes niya doon, yung low notes niya, yung vibrato, the melody, kuhang-kuha, ramdam na ramdam, kinilabutan talaga ako, guys. At talagang kinilig din ako ng bongga-bongga. Opa, kinilig ako. Oh my God, Stell, happiest birthday to you, and thank you for this cover songs. At thank you po sa nag-request ng cover song na ito, which is Franz Panganiban. Maraming salamat sa iyo, Moms, for giving me the link for these two cover songs of Stell. And of course, guys, if you'd like me to see more of SB19, comment down below lang kayo, mga ka-18. And of course, marami pa tayong nakapila actually, guys. Pero I'll make sure na maiisa-isa natin yan. So, thank you so much, and mega love shout out to all our 18 friends. Thank you so much for always supporting TAD's Reaction Time, and nakikita ko kayo sa iba't ibang live streaming din ng aking mga kaibigan at kapatid dito sa ating YD community, which is the VB Show, KJ Avelino, Mom's Love CD, Amazing Janus, Hasa Alza Abby. Ayan, thank you so much for, and of course, thank you guys for supporting our newly recruit reactor, ang poging si Jetology from Singapore, guys. Ang dami niya nating reaction video, and I love the way he do his reaction. Talagang napaka-pogi din. Opo, oo. Si Sir Jetology. Ayan, mega love shoutout sa aking mga Char sisters din. Maraming salamat. Pero of course, Tita Lou, Ming, Elaine, maraming salamat. Rachel Ann, maraming salamat po for always supporting Truly Asia Diaries. So that's a wrap for our TAD's reaction time for today, guys. My name is John. This is Truly Asia Diaries. I'll see you on my next one. Spread happiness, guys. Bye.
Hi, Stel! Maligayang kaarawan sa'yo. Mag-ingat ka palagi at mahal na mahal kita.
Hi, Tay. I hope you're doing fine. Always remember that we are here for you. And tandaan mo rin na mahal ka namin. Fighting, mahal. Love you. Mwah.
Happy birthday, Stel. God bless. We love you.
Happy birthday, Stel. Cheer up and I love you.
Happy birthday, Stel, and keep on shining.